The overall goal of this procedure is to identify alterations in brain activation associated with depression and risk for depression in teenage and young adult women. This is accomplished by first programming a mixed block and event-related thought suppression paradigm for use in the fMRI. The second step is to interview participants upon arrival and identify a subject-specific set of ruminative statements. Next, the ruminative statements should be entered into the E' fMRI paradigm prior to scanning. The final step is to scan the participant while they use an MRI-compatible response box to signal the moments when suppressed thoughts re-emerge and enter conscious awareness. Ultimately, the thought suppression paradigm can be used to show changes in brain activation associated with the suppression of personally significant or troubling ruminative thoughts in young women at risk for major depression.
This technique can provide us with a better understanding of the underlying neural mechanisms in major depressive disorder, and it may offer us a potential biomarker for future research.
For this protocol, start by building a modifiable thought suppression paradigm that will be viewed by participants inside the MRI scanner. E' can be used to program the text and image slides and assure that button press responses are collected with millisecond timing. The paradigm should consist of 4 blocks, each marked by a newly presented screen. The first block is a target statement period and should present either a subject-specific statement or distractor text for 12.5 seconds, alongside a keyword. The 3 blocks following the text should then display a